Welcome to another episode on my driving robot Mydfir with active sonar, color recognition and line following, connected to Robo radio frequency data link, wireless interface to the computer, where this is the counterpart. And this is a buzzer to give some signaling together with some lamps that are here. Last time I added this second line following sensor, but things haven't been as accurate as I had hoped. So to see how things are, I need to find the robo interface over the RF data link, which is exactly what this is. And then what I do need is sensor input. So this is not going to, well, it is kind of working. 3 and the same other hole isn't, and this isn't doing a thing. Well, I although it has worked for a very long time, it doesn't now. And when I look at the original model, this is quite modified, then I noticed that the sensors are more to the ground. So that is what I want to do with these two building blocks. So let me for now put this away. Or actually that is not necessary, but just like this. And first I need to take this one off. And then shift this right on. So now this one is a lot way down, and the same should be done for the second one. And back in. Mind the wires that are all around. Which may complicate facts. And alright, so now it is more down to earth, but are they as they should be? That is a good question. And actually it's not. They are not. These are the lights. Now they are not lights, they look like lights, but that's because something is shining on it and I can't see it. And now the question is, are they indeed line sensors? I do think so. And I have to shift one more to the left, but the best thing to do is to actually put it on the ground and see how they are aligned, because now they do nothing. So I can do one other thing, and that is that I can test sonar. But so yeah, that is working. So D1 is now, or is it? It says there's connection, but does the sonar work anyway? So close, open. Yeah, now I have to put it in distance mode. Now I'm sure they do work. So oh, that's right. These sonars, they have a minimal distance of 2 centimeters for accuracy. Within 2 centimeters it's no use, and they have a resolution of 1 centimeter. So this is D1, obviously. Now the other one, this is D2, obviously. It's not very accurate because of the 1 centimeter resolution, but let's keep it this way. And now the question is, how does it deal with the real stuff? So before doing a floor test, I'm going to fold the floor map and put it under here and see how it responds. So this is the floor map, and I am going to put it under the robot. And the intention is to have only when it is in the middle of it, only to have input 2 and 3 activated, but clearly that's not the case. It has only 3 and 4, which means the older sensor. So the question is, how is that possible? This is 1 and 2, and this is 3 and 4 from the older sensor that already was there. This makes absolutely no sense. And 1 and 2 are definitely right above the line. So I'm going to shift it a bit. Now 2 and 3 are on the line. And that is pretty accurate. This is accurate. Is it in the middle? Yes. Now, one side, and this can be. Is this 1 or 0? I would say this is 1. But how can, with only one input, this one, on the line, 3 and 4 give also 1? Is this reversed? Is the signaling reversed? I can't imagine, but you would say so. So, if so, then this is 1. These two are also 1. but inversed. So let me put it then right this way. Now the old sensor is right in the middle and input 2 is also 1. This indicates that with input 3 and 4 on the line it is 0, and with the other one on the line it is 1. They respond exactly the opposite way. And that's not going to make it any easier. So when 3 and 4 are on the line, they are 0, and these on the line are 1. How to make things complicated. So now I move it right away. Everything off the line. Everything that would be everything off the line. But and then this makes no sense. So moving slowly over the line. I still have my serious doubts. What is middle and what isn't? That is a very good question right now. A ruler. So actually, what is the exact middle? It is 9 centimeters. It is 9 centimeters to the middle, which is exactly here. This is the exact middle, which actually indicates that they are positioned quite right, actually. Or are they? I think they are quite right. But then still I don't get the outcome of this. This is quite weird. There should be only one of those now on the line, and that's not showing. Okay, that is some quite interesting testing. How to go on? and from the camera point of view that is not really good to see. And now they actually look good. It comes down to millimeters. So this would mean that on top of the line is 1 and 2. On top of the line they are 1. So actually I should program this as such. So, oops, not this one. And I get this one going down to the line sensor. Line is 1. No line is 0. So this is correct. Right side of the line. Right side of the line means, means what actually? That they are both 0. That's a good one, because now I have 2 sensors, 4 different versions. So as soon as 3 and 4 are 0, it can be considered right side of the line. And if 2, 3 and 4 are 0, then it's very simple. Then they are. So this still stands. Left side of the line is the opposite. Still stands. Driving over the line. 1 and 4 are 0. 1 and 4 are 0. 2 and 3 are 1. 2 and 3 are 1. Should be alright then. And I don't mind the colors for now. I want it to drive over the line in a nice way. So, as soon as this happens, the robot should respond. Big question is, of course, will it? And that's what I'm going to experience now. It's time for the floor test. And see whatever happens here. So now it is time for a floor test, still on net adapter to save the battery. And right now with this piece right over the line, middle of the line, input 2 and 3 are 1 and the rest is 0. So that is good. Then it's time to go to battery power and see whatever follows. The only thing is I will have to disable the diagnose interface and engage my own program. So let's do that first and then engage the battery. Hopefully it goes well. So, program set and ready. Ah, that's a special LED. Well, it's an LED. So, I should have taken another one. But anyway, this is quite drawing the attention. But let's go. No, that is not the idea. This is clearly not the idea. So why does this go wrong? Apart from that, I want to replace the LED. But apart from that, what's wrong? So, once again, how will it respond? Let's see. It sees no interface. That's not good. No, it doesn't detect the interface. Now it does. But it has a life of its own. Absolutely a life of its own. Why? Doing again. Doing again. Alright. The line tracking program hasn't changed. The only thing that has changed are the sensors. So why are the sensors doing this? Or why isn't it responding to it? That's a very good question. And what I do see is that it is focusing on the color, not on the line sensor. So I guess I have to see what that means. Ouch. So with this not quite optimistic result, let's see the output. And this doesn't show very promising because it doesn't show anything over this line. And is that the reason? Right. So with this very small change, let me check once again. For the moment off screen. and let's see whatever happens. I don't have to do anything to the position of the robot, so although it drives backwards now, so that's not good either. I have to reposition it exactly on the middle line, which it is now. So let's do it again. Once again, no interface. And it drives backwards again in a straight line. That's not what the intention is. Further on the track, in the middle line, on the middle line, whatever. So what is he doing now? Nothing, except that multicolored LED is oh right, now it's driving backwards again after showing a red light. Yeah, this is not what I intend to have. But it drives anyway, but in the wrong direction. Alright, let me show on camera once again. So let's see whatever happened off screen. Whatever happens now. A lot of color output which is not needed now, and there it goes again. And it drives further. So interruption and reposition and further. So, okay. Did I change the direction of driving? No, I did not. This is very strange. Let me put it in a corner. Curve actually. See whatever happens now. Now it is blinking the wrong color because it signaled blue. Once again, let me readjust the camera angle. And go again. The blue light is supposed to be the red light. There it goes, out of the screen. yeah, not quite as I expected. And I'm going to leave it with that. So for now, thank you for watching. Some improvements, some not, and a lot to be found out. Why it shows this very weird behavior. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Follow me on Twitter, retweet and like. Follow me on Instagram and like. Leave comments if you like. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. More information on my website. And this is going to be continued. Bye bye.